So you live in San Ramon, California, and you're looking to keep those kids occupied during summer break? And let's be honest, keeping those kiddos entertained during summer vacation can get costly. Well, in this video, I'm going to go over 8 fun summer activities to do with your kids on a dime. That's right, I'm going to show you how to have a ton of fun over the summer that won't break the bank and will be sure to please the whole family. And we're going to get into it right now. Now, San Ramon is known for its vast open spaces, parks, and trails. The first fun activity on our list is San Ramon's 2 splash parks, a couple of parks that offer 2 water features where kids can play and cool off during the summer are Central Park and Athan Downs Park. Now, San Ramon Central Park is located at 12501 El Casa Boulevard. Now, San Ramon Central Park features a fantastic water play area known as the Splash Pad. The Splash Pad is a water playground with various interactive water features, including spray fountains and water jets. It's an absolutely perfect spot for children to have fun and just beat the heat. Another park is Athan Downs Park, situated on 1300 Genghis Court. Athan Downs Park is a water play area that provides a refreshing experience for kids, and the park includes water fountains and features where children can splash around and enjoy the water. It's a great place to spend a summer day with your little ones. Now, both parks offer additional amenities such as playgrounds, picnic areas, and open spaces, making them ideal destinations for outdoor family fun. And you can make it a great day for the whole family to have a picnic lunch under the shade, play a game of frisbee, fly a kite, or just have fun watching the kiddos play in the water. It's also a really great idea to check out the official website or contact the San Ramon Park and Community Services Department for up-to-date information and any specific rules or restrictions regarding the water features. Total cost for this activity? That's right, free $50. The second activity on the summer fun list is to explore San Ramon's Farmers Market. Take your kids to the Farmers Market. Now, this is held every Saturday at Bishop Branch City Center. Enjoy the vibrant atmosphere and let your children discover a variety of fresh produce, local foods, artisan crafts, and live music. There are tons of food trucks that have a variety of foods from around the world and the Bay Area. It's a great way to support local businesses and engage with the community. And as you can guess, there is no cost for this event except the purchase of produce and any type of food. Now, the third activity on our list is take a hike at the Los Trampas Regional Wilderness Park. Now, venture out for a family hike in Los Trampas Regional Wilderness. The park offers various trails suitable for different skill levels, so you can choose one that suits your family. Explore the scenic landscapes, enjoy nature, and maybe even spot some wildlife along the way. As you can guess, this costs absolutely nothing. That's right, free $50. Now, the fourth one on our list is attend a dive-in movie night under the stars. What is that, you think? That is a movie night that they have at one of the aquatic centers, and you get to watch a movie right under the stars. Keep an eye out for that. So dive-in movie nights are held on Fridays twice a month in June through August at the San Ramon Olympic Pool at Cal High and Doherty Valley Aquatic Center. Events organized by the city of San Ramon. Now, during the summer evenings, they often host outdoor movie screenings while you swim. Bring a blanket, chair, and snacks and enjoy a movie night under the open sky with your kids. There is also snacks for sale. So the dive-in movie night starts at 7 p.m. for swimming, and then the movie starts once it gets dark until 10:30 p.m. And the total cost for this event is $1. That's right, only $1 for so much fun. All right, so the fifth one on our list is visit the Forest Home Farms Historic Park. Now, explore the Forest Home Farms Historic Park, which provides a glimpse into San Ramon's agricultural past. Take a guided tour to learn about the history of the farm, explore the gardens, and see the farm animals. The park also hosts seasonal events and workshops, so check out their calendar for any special activities during the summer. Now, traditionally it's free, but some of the guided tours will cost $36 for an entire tour of up to 25 people. So as you can imagine, that's only a little over $1 per person. Number 6 on our list is the concert in the park. Now, this is one of my favorites. Central Park hosts a free live concert series starting in July through August. Now, the music takes place at the amphitheater right there at Central Park. Now, you and the whole family can enjoy a night out listening to live music while dancing, picnicking, and enjoying great food and wine. The event is on Sundays from 5:30 to 8 o'clock, and you are more than welcome to bring your own short back chair and blankets, snacks, wine. There are food trucks and wine for sale at the event as well. Parking is kind of crazy, so I would suggest getting there a little early to grab a spot on the lawn. They open up Iron Horse Middle School parking lot for additional parking. And remember to check out the specific details, schedules, and availability of these activities as they may vary. Have a fantastic time exploring San Ramon with your kids. This is awesome. Number 7 on our list is a day at the San Ramon Aquatic Park located at 9900 Broadmoor Drive in San Ramon at Cal High, and the Doherty Valley Aquatic Center located at 10550 Albion Drive in San Ramon. Now, both of these activity centers feature water play areas and Olympic-sized pools, diving board, and during the summer, they pull out all of the stops and they have inflatable obstacle courses for the kids, and on different days, they've got water slides. They also feature all kinds of contests. So public swim is Monday through Sunday, and they feature different swim times as early as 10 a.m. on some days and as late as 8:30 p.m. on other days, starting in May through September. So be sure to visit their website for specific swim and activity times. The total cost for this activity is $6 per person. And last but certainly not least, the 8th activity on our list is a walk and picnic at Annabelle Lake. This is a man-made lake surrounded by a business park. The scenery is absolutely gorgeous all seasons of the year. So enjoy picturesque views of the lake with a family and dog, maybe. Maybe your little furry friend will enjoy it. The lake has a really nice trail to walk around, volleyball courts, and some fitness structures. You can also enjoy a really great picnic lunch on one of the picnic tables or sitting on the dock overlooking the water. This is a great activity for all ages, and of course, this activity is free. Well, there you have it. 8 awesome summertime fun activities that the whole family can enjoy and won't break your bank. If you found this video helpful, then shoot me a comment in the comment section and tell me what your favorite activity you'd like to participate in. And be sure to subscribe below or tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to hear about the current market here in San Ramon. I'm Michelle Lewis with the Michelle Lewis Real Estate Team, and I get calls from people just like you looking to move to San Ramon, and I absolutely love it. So if you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. All of my information is in that description below, and I'd love to help you make that smooth move to San Ramon.